What is up, YouTube, you beautiful devils? What are you guys doing? This is Fright Dealer here. I'm going to bring you a tutorial on how to change the big icons on DreamIt. Many have been asking this, and many have been able to customize those big icons. And right now you're going to notice that they're fixed and that you can't really do anything. And if you don't have the icon that is there, it just doesn't run. So it's basically a waste of space or just a little cosmetic addition. And I'm going to show you how to change that. So, please I do apologize for my voice and if I'm sniffing a lot because I am kind of sick, so, you know, fuck. So, I'm going to show you. Go into DreamBoard. When you have DreamIt, alright, and if you don't know what I'm talking about these big icons right here. So, if you want to change it, let's say, I want to change Tumblr, because I don't have Tumblr. Who still uses Tumblr? Screw Tumblr. So, see how it doesn't run when I tap it? It's because I don't have the app. So it's running the launch code, but there's no app to launch. So let's say I want to switch this out with the Mod My Eye app because I have it. It's fucking awesome. I love Mod My Eye. So let's switch it out. So I'm gonna assume that you guys know what SSHing is. You made the image on Photoshop, you saved it on your desktop, you SSH'd it or moved it to your phone in the DreamBoard directory just to make your lives easy. So I'm gonna assume that much from you guys. So we're gonna open up iFile. And you're gonna see I've already made the image somewhere around here. Here it is. It's the Mod My Eye image. Just a quick little image just so you see that it does work. So we're going to copy this. We're going to move it over to the DreamBoard directory. You're going to want to memorize what page the image is that you want to change is on. So mine is on the social page. So I'm going to go back and I'm going to go to pages and I'm going to select social. And we're going to replace Tumblr. So we could delete that image if you want. And we're going to paste in the new Mod My Eye icon. So you see it's there with Facebook, Google+, blah blah blah. And you can use this method to change any other icons on the settings page. Let's say you don't have, well, I don't see why you wouldn't have any of these icons. You wouldn't even be able to run this theme. But yeah. Or on home, let's say you don't use the mail app, you use Gmail. Well, you can do that as well. You could switch it out, make a Gmail icon, put it in here, and change the launch path. So I'm going to show you how to do that right now. You're going to want to use this one app, this beautiful, glorious app or tweak called App Info. And get it from Cydia, guys. It's going to help you so much. And if you don't know about it, you make me sad. So we're going to go into Mod My Eye here. And we see that the ID bundle is com.modmyeye.modmyeye with the two M's capital. Make sure, because these launch bundle ID code things have to be on point or else they won't launch at all. And you could have everything perfectly fine, but if you have this messed up, then it's because of that. So we have that memorized. Let's go into the property list file. So others have also been asking, what is this current.plist? You could delete that. It's basically DreamBoard's backup file. In case the main one here gets corrupt, you just delete it and rename the current plist to the name of this one. But mine is perfectly fine. So we're going to go in, we're going to search the icon that we wanted to replace, which was Tumblr. So let's type in Tumblr or R. And you see right here the launch code is right here. So we're going to edit. I'm going to take away that. We're going to replace it with Mod My Eye. And Mod My Eye with the two M's capital. And we're going to change the image path. So see how right here the whole image path has it set to tumblr.png. Well, we're going to change out that tumblr.png to modmyeye.png. Make sure all of it's right. And you can do this with multiple icons, guys. Let's say you want to change the mail icon, which I was saying earlier. You type in mail and it says right here, launch com.apple.mobilemail. You just change that to you change the com.apple whatever part, everything after com to whatever the bundle ID is. You don't want to delete the launch, because if you do, the icon won't run. It's pretty simple, guys. It's simple XML. It's nothing complicated. It's readable, so just make sure you don't delete the launch, because if you do, you're going to have a bad time. trying to launch that icon. Yeah. And make sure the image path is right too, guys. Make sure it is from the home page or in the home folder, and that the name of the icon is what it's named. So many of you guys should know this. It's simple. I mean, it's nothing hard. So let's save this. We're done. And after this, you want to make sure you deleted the current.p list, because that basically overrides the main property list. So delete it, and you're gonna want to respring. I'm not gonna do it because it's gonna ruin this video, and then I have to re-record it, which already happened again. Really noobish move. But so once that's done, I'm gonna show you when you go back social, it's missing. Oh my god! But don't worry, once you respring, you might have to do it 1 or 2 times to make sure it gets effect. But once you respring and go back to the page, you're going to see that the icon that was originally here is going to be replaced with Mod My Eye. So let me just do that really quick so you don't think I'm messing with you guys. Alright guys, we're back, and I'm going to show you. When you go back to the social page, you're going to see Mod My Eye. The big icon's there now. You don't see Tumblr anymore. And when you tap it, it's going to launch Mod My Eye. Voila, guys. So that's literally all you have to do. You could do it with any icons on any page, on the home, on media, games. Well, these are folders, guys, so you can't really change those. But you can change the apps and all of that stuff, okay? So that's all. I'm going to leave you this, guys. Share it around for others to find out. I'm going to put it on the thread. And thanks, man. Keep on theming. Thanks for the support for this theme, guys. More updates are going to come by my end, and Echo and Bad Style's end as well. So don't expect this to just be the final product. There's going to be more additions, more little things to help make this theme a lot better, alright? So until the next time, guys, keep on theming, and thanks. One thing, guys, I forgot to mention that you might have, when I said you might have to respring 2 times, is because the current.p list always generates the little son of a bitch. But you'll be able to delete it. So if the first time you respring the icon doesn't change, just go back into the directory, delete the current.p list, and respring one more time, and the icons will be there. Alright, just to make sure, just so I don't have a bunch of people saying that my method didn't work. So that's the only problem. It's that damn current.p list. I don't know why. I wish there was a way to not have it generate, but it always does. So I'm sorry, I can't control that, guys. So no, just a little update thing. Have a good day.